Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
I am Amelia Sita Lastas. I am from the Philippines.
How many years old are you?
My age, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm 36, ma'am.
Are you single or married?
I'm single.
Okay. So what position you are applying for?
I was looking as a nanny, ma'am.
Only nanny or all around housemate or nanny?
Nanny or maid, ma'am.
Nanny and maid.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When would you be able to start working?
Mm. Ma'am, I'm.
How soon can you join? If you get a job, when can you join?
Yeah, I can join anytime, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have relatives in UAE?
I have sister, ma'am.
Okay. Please describe your last job.
June.
What was
June
your
20,
last job?
June 25 in the restaurant, ma'am.
You
I'm
worked in a
waiter.
restaurant.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you work as a housemaid before?
Yes, I'm working before 2008 to 2010.
Okay. So what are your duties and responsibilities
I take care
as
of
a
the
housemaid?
children. Yeah.
Okay.
And then when I have time, just
Mm.
prepare the the for
Mm.
the child for the upload and clean the room.
Mm.
Sometimes I prepare some sandwich for the child. That's it. It's my work.
Okay. So explain, how do you clean the house? How will you start cleaning the house?
So I was wake up. If we have school, I wake up early 6 o'clock. If not, it's Friday, Saturday. Normally, I will wake up at early morning.
Mm.
I go in the kitchen to prepare the breakfast for the child.
Mm.
Also bring the clothes for going to school.
Mm.
Then when he left, then I clean the room.
Yes. How will you start cleaning the house? Like you start with kitchen, or let's start with kitchen. How do you clean the kitchen?
Yeah, first I see evening time before I'm sleep already, I clean the kitchen. So when I wake up in the morning, just prepare the food.
Mm.
Yes. Before I'm sleep, I clean the kitchen. So if I see some dirty, I clean.
Mm. What about the other rooms, like a living room or a bedroom?
Bedroom, yeah. I just fix the bed.
Mm.
Also take the clothes, all the sleeping, the use the evening time, the baby. So
Mm.
I put the washing machine.
Mm.
Then
So,
if I have more time, then evening time I can make iron. That's it. That's my work.
okay. How many times in a week you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
Depends from my madam. I ask to madam.
Okay.
That to me,
How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
the toilet I use mostly Dettol and some sabon to wash the
Mm.
the floor.
Mm. How
And then
frequently you clean?
the bathroom, ma'am.
Yes,
Every day, ma'am, I clean the
every
bathroom.
day.
Yes, because the bathroom the mostly all the time use.
Okay. So, what do you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
Um,
If a
um,
delivery man came to the door, somebody at the door, and your employer is not in the house, what will you do?
I mean,
If
my madam.
somebody came to the door and your employer is not in the house.
I will not open the door, ma'am. First, I will call to madam. If you
Okay.
have a visitor to coming at home, ma'am. I will not open the door if my madam not tell me we have visitor coming.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Not too much, ma'am. I know some dishes cook, but it's not all. I know that.
Are you willing to learn following the instructions in a cookbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what favorite activities you enjoy with children?
Vacation, ma'am.
What favorite activities you enjoy with children?
Just play, ma'am. Just only sometime I teach the baby how to. Sometime to watching the like we have a lesson for the child, especially the play.
Mm.
Sometime in outside,
Okay.
but mostly inside the room. And then if you have holiday, especially Friday, to go outside to playground. Some in the mall we have some toys there
Okay.
to go out.
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Ma'am, just I will inform the, for example, depends if where the place, ma'am, in the house or in the outside, ma'am. Sometimes, ma'am, we have something happen, but with my madam, with me, ma'am. At that time, it's not my mistake because sometimes the children, you go play around.
Yes, what will you do if some accident happens to the child?
First I call this, first I call, I have experienced this one before the baby, we have accident in the playground. Then I called the one lady that stopped there to call the doctor or call the mother or who the management to call that one to help. But first, if I know how to do that, I will help the child. Sometimes we have some cool down there, ma'am.
Okay.
Then direct, ma'am, I call this the parents, ma'am.
Okay.
Especially first to let me know the parents.
Okay. Are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
I am, ma'am.
What type of chores you can do when the baby is sleeping?
I'm not speaking for the baby, ma'am, because this one already the Arabic especially, you will not leave the child when they is small.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you will not. The Arabic, ma'am, the people, you will not. Especially the small baby. If you the grow up 1 year, he can crush you.
Okay. So as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
As a nanny, ma'am, really I like the child.
If the child asks you something, will you say no?
Yes, ma'am.
If the child asks you something, will you say no?
Depends, ma'am. If the good question about ma'am, but it's not good to tell me, I will not say yes.
So if it is bad, you will not say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So the nanny the want to learn good way for the child.
Okay. So how much is your?
You're the second parents,
Yes. Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
Mom, for live out, mom, I expected to give me allowance, but I expect for 2,000 like this and 2,500.
2,000 plus allowance, accommodation and transportation allowance.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you very much for your time for MaidCV.com.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Have a nice day.